welcome back to my channel. You know how you can never find the perfect pancake recipe because they're too thin or too thick? Well, today I have a recipe to show you that will change your world. Without further ado, let's get to the video. Enjoy! Let's go in with a cup of flour. Next, put in a 1/4 cup of sugar. Half a teaspoon of salt. And 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Mix all of your dry ingredients together. Then move on to your wet ingredients. Start by melting your butter.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Then add 3/4 cups of milk. Two teaspoons of vanilla. And 1 large egg. Heat your pan to medium-high heat. Grab the melted butter. Careful, it is very hot. Let it cool for a few minutes before pouring into the mix. Stir until well combined. Once you are finished, mix it in with the dry ingredients. Add any mix-ins like chocolate chips or blueberries, and stir until well combined. Let the mix sit for 5 minutes to process. Once you get this texture, you know it's done. Just for fun, let me know what you like to put in your pancakes down below in the comments.